నమస్తే టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా సమయం ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఛానల్ అండి. సో ఈ రోజు నేను మీకు ఒక అద్భుతమైన ప్లేస్కి తీసుకొచ్చాను. ఐల్ బి ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ దిస్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. సో ద థింగ్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఇన్ ఇండియా బట్ ఆల్సో ఇన్ యునైటెడ్ స్టేట్స్ ఆఫ్ అమెరికా వీ ఫైండ్ ద ఐడల్ ఆఫ్ గణేష. And this idol is made up of a certain crystal. You can see that. You know, it's been like it's brought from this culture is from Malaysia and India, all over the South Asia, Asian countries. But however, finding an idol in United States of America of Lord Ganesha is a really surprising miracle. So now, as we got the permission to take the video of the entire shop, now I'm going to show you how the idols are prepared. You know, like, can you see this here? Can you show that? That is a tiger eye stone. Tiger eye stone, we know how it is in India. It is for evil eye, the protection from the, it's like a protection stone which we put in our rings. మన ఇండియాలో చిలుక జ్యోతిష్యం వాళ్ళు అమ్ముతారనేసి లైట్ తీసుకుంటారండి. బట్ లుక్ ఎట్ హియర్ హౌ లైక్ ఎంత హౌ మచ్ ఎసెన్స్ దే హ్యావ్ హియర్. ఇన్ యునైటెడ్ స్టేట్స్ ఆఫ్ అమెరికా యూ కెన్ సీ ద ఐడల్స్ ఆఫ్ లార్డ్ గణేష whom we pray, who is very precious to us. So it's like really thankful that we are finding it here. This is like diversity of the culture which we are finding in United States of America, which is not a joke. Come on, let me show you a lot of things which are from Himalayas and also from India. I'll show you the Shivalingam. Come on, you see this? This is the Shivalingam andi. Shivalingam, can you see this? This is so precious. It's Shivalingam. Can you show the name there? And it is written by an American. Look at the speciality, how they give respect, they understand the value of energy. If this shop is there here, the crystals which we wear, we do japam, that stone is here. Can you see this? They keep in their house to keep negativity away, to attract the positive energy. So these all things, almost like you can see, these are from different places. But however, see, Lord Ganesha, they keep in their homes. And can you see these things? These are from different places. Just now I spoke with the person, who is taking care of this shop. He said that they travel to India to get these things. They travel to different parts of the world to get all these things. So just see. So we know about the different crystals, right? So our statues are made. The statues are made different crystals to form chesi untaru. Lord Ganesh. Spatika andi. Spatika mala. అక్కడ అగరబత్తులు చూపించండి ఎలా ఉన్నాయి. So now here, can you see different stones? This is tiger stone. Look at the way they have, they have put. Look at the way they have just decorated everything. See, these are bands. These are real crystals. So now I'll show you something here. Can you see everything here? So they even sell this. In South India we say it as Gauramma. Gauramma, we do puja for this. This is Gauramma. So look at that, how they are selling. It is made up of some sort of special stone. And this is amethyst. We know it. And if you come here, you can see the symbol of Om on this. These all are like different kind of crystals. And can you see, like, so many. This is for evil eye. And can you see this Om? The symbol of, they sell this. You know what is Om, right? How precious is Om to us. We are getting this in United States of America. So see, Gautam Buddha. So I'm just coming. Can you see this pyramid? Different types of stones made with. These all are not like something like a decorative thing, but they know their essence. they know their importance of it. You know, that's the reason, you know, this shop is here in United States, in Massachusetts. And here you can see Lord Ganesha they have kept, because that is auspicious. And then there you can see Gautam Buddha at the back. This is how it is. So you can just see the clothes here, right? These are from different countries. You see the woolen clothes, you know, like these are from different countries. You can see that. Okay, come on, I'll show you something else. Gaumata Chakra was here. See, this is our chakras. Can you see? This is chakras. We know chakras, right? The chakras in our body. This is the energized chakras, which are actually holding the energy levels in our body, which are controlling, which are just giving energy to our chakras so that there is a peaceful and discreet mind. So that's the symbol. And now, if we come here, do you know this is Vajrayudham? What is this? This is Vajrayudham. We know it is made up of like how this Vajrayudham originated. Indra fighting with Vajrasura. So Vajrayudham was made to kill the demon. We have this story. And this is, you know, pyrite, which attracts money. And come on, here, I would like to show the beautiful part of this shop. You know, this place. Can you see Vishnu? We are getting all, you know, almost like, can you see the symbol? Om. It's visible, right? And can you see Lord Krishna? Different types of idols. And can you see the Ganesha? So these people sell these idols here. So not only the Ganesha, but also, you know, tortoise. కూర్మా కాదు, లక్ష్మి పూజకి ఈ క్రిస్టలే మనీని అట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తుంది, దాని నుంచి ఇది. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇవన్నీ నమ్ముతారు అని చెప్తున్నాను. మళ్ళీ వినాయకులు, గజ, మనీ సింబల్ ఆఫ్ మనీ. దిస్ ఇస్ వినాయకులు. ఇక్కడ చూస్తున్నారా డిఫరెంట్ అవి టార్టాయిస్. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ చూస్తున్నారా శివయ్య, యునైటెడ్ స్టేట్స్ ఆఫ్ అమెరికాలో అండి. ఇంకా ఈ షాప్ హిందూస్ది కాదండి, అమెరికన్స్. ఐ వాస్ వెరీ ఎక్సైటెడ్ అండ్ హ్యాపీ టు సీ దిస్. సో మన కల్చర్ని అమెరికాలో చూసి ఐఎమ్ వెరీ ఎక్సైటెడ్ అండి. సో ఇదంతా మీతో షేర్ చేసుకుందామని. ప్రాబబ్లీ నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ అప్లై చేసాం పర్మిషన్కి. నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ పర్మిషన్ వస్తే తను ఒప్పుకుంటే దెన్ వీ కెన్ టాక్ టు హిమ్. అండ్ ఇంకా 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 మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. మ్యాక్సిమం ఇక్కడ క్రిస్టల్స్ అన్ని హిమాలయాస్ నుంచి వచ్చేయండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.